Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an update review on this hair. This hair is from ROSA Beauty on AliExpress. I did an initial review 4 months ago. This will be the update on that. I want to tell you guys the backstory on my opinion on the hair then compared to now. The initial review I said that the hair felt really soft. It looked like great quality. And then when I washed it and made it into a wig, everything changed. You can see that in my initial review. I did change the hair quite a bit. The hair that I ordered was 4 bundles of 26 inches. Now, if you look at this hair that I have in right now, it's obviously not 26 inches. That's because I cut it. It was just really long. Right now, the hair looks good, but we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty of why I feel the way I do about the hair. Well, I cut the hair because I felt that it was just too heavy, very full. So if you guys are wanting like full bundles, this is a great company for that because the bundles are very thick. I removed some bundles out of my wig and took about 1 full bundle out. So it has about 3 bundles in the hair right now. I did layer the hair and I gave it curtain bangs recently. I just thought, you know, just spice it up a little bit. I don't wear this wig all the time because of the snagging, the tangling. It looks good like this when you brush it out, but after about an hour, it gets all like matted. You need to have a brush on you at all times. Some of the other things about this hair that I was like, I don't know. It does claim to be human hair, and on their website, it does claim that it's Remy human hair. And this is the Peruvian texture on the product. You see that it's Remy hair, and it says chemical process, it's been straightened. This hair is not virgin, it's been straightened to stay straight. So maybe that is one of the reasons why I'm experiencing this snagging. This hair feels like it's borderline Indian hair. It's very dense hair. It's not like your typical Brazilian hair, which I like. I don't mind that it has some consistency to it, like some weight to it. I don't like the dryness. And another thing that I really didn't like was when I was straightening it, it was melting. A lot of the strands was melting, and it just made me think, like, why would the hair be melting at this normal heat? I use 450, which is high. I know it's high, but I use that straightener to straighten all of my human hair wigs, and I always have it on that temperature. So when I started straightening it and it was like melting, that was a bit alarming to me. After that, it just rubbed me the wrong way. I decided to give it another try a few times after that because I wanted to update you guys. I wore it a few more times. What I've noticed with the hair, when you wear it, you have to wash it after that, because if you want to wear it the next time, like the next day, it's not gonna look cute. It's gonna look frizzy and dry, not at all like what it looks like now. I applied some oils, hair oil to it, because it was not it, girl. But I still wear it enough where I can give you guys information about my experience. So overall, I still feel the same way, but there are good points to the hair and good things that you can keep in mind if you are on a budget. I'm curious to know like what their virgin hair looks like, what it feels like. Maybe they will send me something to review that's virgin, because this Remy hair is just not it for me. I love straight hair and I want to bring more straight hair reviews to you guys, but unfortunately I'm just not having a good experience finding my own brands myself. Regardless, it looks cute. One of the things that I did like about this hair was the closure. It's beautiful. It matches really nicely with my skin tone. It's really full, as you guys can see. I did bleach the closure myself and it lifted easily. I say hands down, this company has one of the best constructed closures. I just wish their hair matched up. But again, this is not their virgin hair. I don't know if I'm going to be spending my own coins to buy their virgin hair to be disappointed if it is mixed with synthetic fibers. But in the future, who knows? I'm not saying I'll never review this company's hair. I'm definitely open to it, but I just wanted to share with you guys the information. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I know I've been rambling on, and I just want to show you guys the consistency. Right now, the hair is not snagging or anything, but that's because like I've straightened it, I've brushed it, it's freshly washed, and it's been styled. So right now it's behaving itself, but it doesn't always stay like this. Now, if you don't mind doing the most with your hair, then this will be a great option for you, because let me tell you, like, the fullness is on another level. Like, it takes, you know, that raw hair texture kind of thing to another level. Like, that's the vibe it's giving me. I know you know that it looks cute, and I know we can see that, but trust me when I tell you there are issues that I've had with it, and I just want you guys to know. If you guys thought this video was informative and helpful, leave me a thumbs up, a comment. Everything goes a long way. It helps your girl out, and I like to give you updates on the hair. I'm not gonna just bang these reviews out and never update you. On my downtime, I'll review and update those wigs that I've tried and the brands that I've tried. I do have some synthetic hair wigs reviews coming soon, so if you guys are interested in that and you want to see how I fix them, how I make them look realistic, let me know, and definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. I gotta go, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.